Hello and welcome to the Rainbow family. I'm Callie Northagen, and speaking for all Rainbow distributors around the globe, we would like to personally thank you for purchasing the finest cleaning system in the world, the Rainbow E-Series. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the proper use and care techniques and how to get the most out of all the features. To help you get to know your new Rainbow E-Series, let's start by identifying the parts. The top of the Rainbow Power Unit has a strong handle for easy lifting and maneuvering. Fill the water basin with fresh, cold water to the top of the water level dome inside the basin. The power unit attaches easily to the water basin with latches on both sides. Now you can place the Rainbow on the dolly and easily roll it across the floor. On the back side of the top is the power switch to turn the Rainbow on and off. To store the power cord, simply extend these sliders and wrap it around the cord caddy. To release the cord, just push the sliders in and the cord is free to unwind. To attach the non-electrified hose, insert the hose into the air inlet opening to lock it into place. Press the tabs in to remove the hose. Now that we have our Rainbow assembled, let's take a look at the attachments that help keep your home clean and fresh every time you use it. Your new E-Series Rainbow comes with the following attachments as standard items. Each has been designed for specific uses, so let's review them quickly. The floor and wall brush is specially designed to clean all hard surface floors and the walls in your home. The dusting brush is great for cleaning plants, blinds, and everything else you dust in your home. The upholstery tool can be used on stairs, clothing, and of course upholstery. The Rainbow crevice tool is used for cleaning corners and getting deep down into furniture and cushions. The Rainbow inflator is a handy tool for inflating beach balls, toys, and air mattresses. The coil cleaner is great for cleaning in tough spots under appliances and furniture. The Rainbow comes with a bottom curved wand used with a floor and wall brush, a straight wand, and a curved wand handle with suction control for delicate cleaning. To assemble the wands, simply line up the locks and snap the sections together. The non-electrified hose is used for dry pickup and is the only hose to use for wet pickup. Slip the soft end of the hose over the curved wand handle and connect the other end of the hose to the air inlet. And now you're ready to add any attachment for cleaning. The attachment caddy is designed to store E-Series attachments on the front of the Rainbow or on the straight wand. Your Rainbow E-Series is truly a 21st century cleaning system, and it's built to give you many years of satisfaction and superior cleaning throughout your home. A few simple care and maintenance tips will go a long way to keep your Rainbow operating at peak efficiency. They're easy to perform, so let's take a look at each one in detail. The Rainbow separator should be cleaned after each use. The separator brush is stored under the power unit and also doubles as a wrench. Remove the separator nut using the wrench and thoroughly clean the separator fins with the brush. This is important for good performance. When you replace the separator nut, do not use the wrench. Tighten the nut finger tight. Your Rainbow also has a motor protector that resets automatically. If the Rainbow overheats, the motor will stop. Let it cool for 15 minutes and be sure you refer to the owner's manual for more information. To empty the water basin, simply depress the front dolly latch. Then release the side latches and lift off the power unit. Tilt the water basin forward and pour the water out the opening. The water basin should be rinsed with clean water and wiped dry after each use. And never store the water basin attached to the power unit between cleanings. Your Rainbow has an exclusive HEPA neutralizer that reduces motor noise and filters non-wettable material and microscopic particles. Be sure to contact your local Rainbow distributor for a replacement and for all your parts and service needs. Remember, these tips are designed to keep your Rainbow in excellent condition for years of superior performance. The Rainbow Power Nozzle is one of our most popular accessories and is sold as an option. It's designed for carpeted surfaces and is a very powerful cleaning tool. The Rainbow Power Nozzle is supplied with a straight wand and an electrified hose used only for dry pickup. To assemble the power nozzle, insert the straight wand into the pivot arm on the top of the power nozzle. Push the power cord into the channel on the back of the straight wand and pull it up to the top to plug it in. Then align the snap lock on the handle with the guide on the long wand and slide them together. Connect the electric cord from the power nozzle to the receptacle under the handle. Then attach the other end of the hose to the power unit. Angle the end of the hose to lift the door up and push it in place. With the power nozzle assembled, let's review some tips to help you get the most out of your new Rainbow cleaning system. The power nozzle is designed to be used on carpeted surfaces and not on bare floors. The switch actuator on the hose handle starts and stops the power nozzle while you're cleaning. Simply press and hold the actuator to operate the power nozzle. Release the switch to stop the brush roll. The power nozzle has a reset button to protect the motor from overload and burnout. If an object lodges in the roller while you're cleaning, the button pops up and stops the motor. Unplug the unit and remove the object from the power nozzle. Then press the reset button down until it returns to the normal position. Connect the power cord and you're ready to continue cleaning. The power nozzle also has a 3-position height adjuster to clean carpet of any kind. Just use your finger to rotate the knob for high, medium, or low pile carpet cleaning. The power nozzle adjusts instantly to all carpet conditions. You can lock the power nozzle wand in an upright position by placing your foot lightly on the power nozzle and pushing the wand forward until it locks into place. The Rainbow E-Series is the most advanced cleaning system in the world. With proper use and maintenance, you should enjoy many years of trouble-free operation. For all of us at Rainbow, I'm Callie Northagen. We hope you enjoy your new Rainbow cleaning system. And thanks again for joining our worldwide family.